Good morning, all the students. And today we are going to continue with 4.2, the rising of the moon. This is section 4. So section 4, what you have to remember about section 4 is that section 4 is going to depend, it's going to be a completely a memorization skill test. Okay, it's going to test your memory, how much you remember about the drama. Okay, no passage will be given, passage nahi diya jayega, and you will be tested on how much you remember about the drama. Now, this particular drama, The Rising of the Moon, is a story about just two main characters. That is one person who is a nationalist, Desh Bhakt hai, okay, and other one is a sergeant who's a police officer. He's a police officer. So the story background, what is the background of the story is that there is a man who has escaped from the prison और सब लोग उसे ढूंढ रहे हैं. क्यों उसे ढूंढ रहे हैं? Because number one, he's escaped from the prison, obvious. Second, he is a nationalist. Okay, वो एक he is against the colonial rulers. Okay, जैसे हमारी आज़ादी के टाइम जितने भी लोग ब्रिटिश के अगेंस्ट थे, ब्रिटिश सरकार के अगेंस्ट थे, वी हैव रेड इन हिस्ट्री दैट उन्हें पकड़ पकड़ के उन्हें जेल में डाला जाता था. तो यहाँ पर भी वही हुआ है, यहाँ पर भी वही हुआ है. दिस पर्सन इज अगेंस्ट द कॉलोनियल रूलर्स, अगेंस्ट द आउटसाइड रूलर्स. ओके, यूरोप बहुत सारे देशों में, ओके, करीबन एक 200 साल पहले, अराउंड 200 years, most of the countries in the world was ruled by Europe. Okay, so here Ireland is also just like that. It wasn't an independent country. Okay, unlike today. So ये तब की बात है when this particular place was ruled by Europe, and this nationalist, okay, this person who, ये देशभक्त जो है, ये जेल से भागा हुआ है, and now he wants to escape, he wants to run away. Now the cops know about it, the police knows about it. So what have they done? Obviously, they have shut down all the major roads and blocked the major railways. तो उसे भागने के लिए एक ही जरिया है, और वो है समंदर का रास्ता. तो अभी वो इसी दिशा से भाग सकता है, ऐसे लोगों को, ऐसे पुलिस को लगता है. All right, so now what has happened is there is a police officer. Okay, we don't know his name as yet, but he is, what is his rank? His rank is sergeant. Sergeant is one level below the police, below the inspector. So there is this sergeant who is guarding the seaway. Okay, वो जो पोर्ट है, हार्बर है, वहां पे he is just waiting, ताकि ये जो अगर वहां से कोई भागने की कोशिश करेगा भी तो वो उसे पकड़ लेगा. Now, as I told you in the earlier class, this particular surgeon has got his own selfish reasons to catch hold of this person. Now, what is his selfish reason? Point number one, in case he is able to catch him, okay, what will happen is his salary is going to increase. Okay, second, he is going to get promoted. Okay, उसे प्रमोशन पक्का है, सैलरी जो है, तनख्वाह जो बढ़ेगी, प्लस जो रिवॉर्ड मिलेगा, जो एज इन वॉट एवर रिस्पेक्ट ही विल गेट ऑल अराउंड, दैट ऑल्सो इज गोइंग टू इंक्रीज. सो यू नो ही इज जस्ट वेटिंग देयर. वो बाकी लोगों को कहता है कि आप लोग बाकी जगह जाकर आप लोग पहरा दो, आई एम गोइंग टू वेट हियर, आई एम गोइंग टू गार्ड दिस पर्टिकुलर प्लेस, because if that person comes this way, all right, I am going to catch hold of it. और तभी जब वो बैठे हैं, he is just sitting there, he is just guarding that particular port. Okay, समुंदरी जो रास्ता है, he is just guarding over there because उन्हें strong tip है उनके पास कि ये आदमी जो जेल से भागा है, definitely he is being helped by people who are outside. और एक इंटरेस्टिंग बात ऐसी है कि दिस पर्सन, ओके, हु इज रनिंग अवे, ही इज द वन ऑफ द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पर्सन ऑफ हिज ग्रुप. ही सॉर्ट ऑफ अ लीडर. सो इन केस इफ ही इज कॉट, तो उनके ग्रुप वो तो वैसे ही खत्म हो जाएगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, हाउ सुभाष चंद्र बोस, you know, after how he was caught, you know, his our Indian National Army, all right, that was the first army of our India. Okay, that could not survive, that just could not survive. most of the soldiers who were there as a part of Indian National Army, they were either caught or they were killed. Okay, why? Because Subhash Chandra Bose himself passed away. He died in an air crash. So that's how it is. So that's what they also feel over here. कि अगर लीडर कोई पकड़ लिया तो ये जो इनकी संस्था है ये तो वैसे भी खत्म हो जाएगा. Now, what is this entire lesson all about? This entire lesson is just about conversation between these two people. When this sergeant is guarding that court, okay, there is a man who's dressed in poor clothes, okay, and he is a ballad singer. Ballad are songs which are sung with a moral. They have a moral. एक कहानी बताते हैं और उस कहानी के अंत में एक moral रहता है. Okay, एक message रहता है लोगों के. So that is what this drama is about. So we have almost started last time. Okay, so just a revision before I continue. All right. See, the rising of the moon, second paragraph, it reveals both charm and skill of dramatic imagination. Okay, and closely observed Irish characters. इंडिया के लोगों को इंडियंस कहते हैं, वैसे ही आयरलैंड नाम का ये जो देश है, द पीपल ऑफ आयरलैंड आर नोन एज आयरिश. ठीक है. द प्लेस चार्म, प्ले में कौन सा सबसे मजेदार किस्सा है? इट रेस्ट ऑन सस्टेनिंग पैशंस ऑफ आयरिश नेशनलिज्म. Okay, it's based on Irish nationalism. All right, so that's what it is. So see here, it's there is a quay. Quay is a platform that is given lying alongside, projecting into the water. ओके, सो दैट्स अ प्लेटफॉर्म जो पानी के अंदर जाता है ताकि लोग जो है वो जहाज में अगर चढ़ना उतरना है या सामान चढ़ाना उतारना है तो वो आसानी हो सकेगा. प्लेटफॉर्म इज बिल्ट फॉर दैट. ओके, तो वहाँ पे देयर आर दीज पुलिसमैन, दे हैव वांट टू पुट अप अ नोटिस. उस नोटिस में लिखा है कि अगर कोई भी इस इंसान को देखता है कहीं पर तो प्लीज पुलिस को इन्फॉर्म करे. सो दे वांट टू पुट अप अ नोटिस. सो देयर आर दीज पुलिसमैन, दे आर वेटिंग, दे हैव टू पुट अप दिस नोटिस and they are planning to put up this notice on the barrel. Now, what's a barrel? Barrel is a container which stores liquid. It's a wooden container which stores any sort of liquids. Okay, so please write over there. Barrel is a container. Okay, it's a wooden container. Okay, now which stores liquids. So here there is this sergeant, he is trying to guard those steps. Okay, and they are thinking which is the best place to stick up that notice. All right, so see, sergeant is reading the description of that man. वो इंसान कैसा है? Dark hair, dark eyes, smooth face, height कितनी है? Everything he is considering. Okay, all right. It's a pity I had no chance of seeing him before he broke out of goal. ओके, इट्स अ पिटी. वो कहते हैं कि बहुत अफसोस की बात है कि मैं उन्हें देख नहीं पाया इससे कि पहले वो जेल जा सके. गोल इज अ जेल. ऑल राइट, सो देर इजंट अनदर मैन इन आयरलैंड हु वुड हैव ब्रोकन गोल द वे ही डिड. इस ये इंसान जैसे जेल से भागकर गया है वैसा आज तक कोई नहीं भागा. ओके, तो डेफिनेटली उसके दोस्त अंदर भी थे और बाहर भी थे. ओके, तो उसके सर पर रिवॉर्ड है. कितना है? 100 पाउंड्स. प्रमोशन, ये सब कुछ पक्का लोगों को मिलेगा ही. ओके, तो सर्जेंट सी ही गेट्स अ लिटिल सेल्फिश एंड ही सेज कि सोचता है वो कि अरे पैसे मिलेंगे, प्रमोशन होगा, तो डेफिनेटली आई विल गार्ड दिस प्लेस माई सेल्फ. क्योंकि अब तो मैं जो शादीशुदा हूँ तो आई एम ऑलवेज इन नीड ऑफ मनी. ओके, माई एक्सपेंसेस हैव इंक्रीज और मुझे पैसों की सख्त ज़रूरत है. ठीक है, एंड दे ऑल डिसाइड दैट दे आर गोइंग टू डू देयर ड्यूटी. दे आर गोइंग टू गिव देयर ड्यूटी रियली वेल. Okay, so next page, policeman. Okay, the others they all leave and see now here this particular sergeant, he is thinking कि अरे 100 pounds promotion. Okay, अगर मुझे मिल गया तो nothing like it. Okay, I'm going to get मेरी लाइफ सेट हो जाएगी, आई एम गोइंग टू बी रियली हैप्पी. तो तभी, as I said, there enters a man in ragged clothes. Ragged is old clothes, torn clothes. Okay, and he just tries to run away. तो तभी ये पुलिस वाला उसे रोक लेता है. रुक जाओ, who's there running? Okay, just stop. He says, he introduces himself. As I told you, he says, I'm a poor ballad singer. Okay, I thought to sell some of these. Okay, he's just thinking. He says that I want to sell some of my ballads. मेरे गाने जो है मुझे किसी को बेचने हैं, मतलब सुनाने हैं. Okay, here he means that he wants to sing for somebody. So if he sings for somebody, definitely he'll get money. Okay. All right, and what does he say? He says he does not give his real name. Okay, here he gives एक झूठा नाम बताता है. He says I am Jimmy Walsh. Oh, I am one Jimmy Walsh, a ballad singer. Okay, right. So he says कि I am a ballad singer और वो अपना नाम देता है. All right. So see, then again he tries to slip. I'm going where I was going. I'm just going. तो वो पुलिस वाला कहते हैं यहाँ से जाओ, यहाँ से जाओ. So he says he the old this man, the poor man, he again tries to go through the water. So the policeman again stops him and he says, "Where are you going?" ये आदमी कहते हैं, "अरे I'm going where I have to go." This policeman says, "No, no, you cannot go through the water. Nobody is allowed to go through the water." Okay. So next page. All right. So the man, he says, this poor man, he says, "I'll just sit here. Okay, I'll see. In case if there's a sailor who tries to buy my ballad, तो एटलीस्ट मेरा शाम का खाना हो जाएगा, मुझे खाना तो मिलेगा. ठीक है, तो चलो कोई ना कोई आएगा, कोई ना कोई मेरा गाना सुनेगा, मुझे पैसे मिलेंगे, मुझे खाना मिलेगा." दैट्स व्हाट ही इज. ही हैज क्रिएटेड एन इमेज ऑफ हिम. ऐसा उसने इमेज बताया है. Okay, so still the sergeant is really very upset. He says, "Just go away. I do not want any lingering here. Lingering is any movement. Okay, any sort of movement. I don't want it here." Okay. See, then he tries to sing, tries to bring out his ballads. वो अपने जो ballads हैं वो निकाल के he tries to sing over here. There was a rich farmer's daughter, lived near the town of Ross, quoted a Highland soldier. His name was Johnny Hart. So see, look at this ballad. ये सुन के हमें पता चलता है कि ballad में एक कहानी बताई जाती है और उस कहानी के अंत में हमें एक सीख मिलती है. Okay, says the mother to her daughter, "I'll go distracted mad if you marry that Highland soldier dressed up in the Highland plaid." So he just tries to sing. उसे शुरू ही किया है तो ये पुलिस वाला कहता है, "Stop that noise," because he's so very upset और उसे he's probably frustrated. He wants money. He wants his own demands are there which he wants to fulfill. Okay, so here see, this all we have done. This all we have done. Okay, the man says, "Yes, there is who has been keeping his eye on the notice." Okay, कौन देख रहा है ये तुम्हारे ये notice को? Okay, तो सर्जन पूछते हैं, "What's that with you?" तुमसे मतलब? "What's that with you?" तुमसे मतलब? Okay, and I know well the man you are waiting for. मुझे पता है तुम किसके लिए रुके हो. I know. Okay, so see, we had done this question also. Students who were not there in the last class can just go to the earlier video where we have done all this in detail. Okay, today what is happening is before continuing on the next page, I just wanted to make sure that we have revised this little part. Okay, so see here, he says that he just tries to run away from there और बार बार ये पुलिस वाला उसे बुलाता है. बार बार वो यहाँ पे बुलाता है कि इस तरफ आओ, इस तरफ आओ, यहाँ पे आ जाओ, वहां से जाना मना है. Okay, so this says, okay, "Come back. Is it, sergeant? Do you want to have me killed?" क्या तुम मुझे मारना चाहते हो? Sergeant, पुलिस कहता है, "Why do you say that? Never mind, I'm going." ठीक है, अगर मुझे कोई कितने भी पैसे दे दे तो मैं इस इंसान को नहीं पकड़ाऊंगा. ओके, बिकॉज मैं भी इस देश का वासी हूँ. आई एम ऑल्सो अ सिटीजन ऑफ दिस कंट्री. और मैं अगर तुम्हारी जगह होता था और अगर मुझे कोई इतना पैसा देता था तो आई वुडंट हैव caught anybody. मैं किसी को पकड़ने की कोई भी कोशिश इस इंसान को पकड़ने की कोशिश नहीं करता. Okay, come back, see, come back. All right. See, so this policeman is asking, "पे कहाँ देखा तुमने उसको? कहाँ देखा?" You see, the man is saying, I saw him in my own place in the country Claire. मैंने उसे देखा है, पर यहाँ नहीं, वहाँ. Okay, मैंने वहाँ देखा है. Okay, so see, he's trying to scare that policeman. वो कहता है, I tell you, you wouldn't be looking at him. You would be afraid. तुम देखोगे तो उसको डर जाओगे. एक ऐसा वेपन नहीं है. There isn't a weapon he doesn't know. एक ऐसा कोई वेपन नहीं है जो उसे चलाना नहीं आता हो. उसके मसल्स, उसकी बॉडी, दे आर वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग. यू नो, बी देयर. उसे डराने की कोशिश करे, काश शायद पुलिस उसके बातों में आ जाए. Okay, so the policeman is asking, is he really that bad? क्या वो सच्ची में इतना बुरा है? So what does this man say? Yes, yes, of course, he's that bad. He's that bad. Okay, so man, there was a poor man in our place, a surgeon from Ballywoodian. So this is again a name. Okay, तो उसका उसे अच्छी खासी उसकी धुलाई कर दी थी. ओके, हमारे एरिया में भी एक पुलिस वाला था जिसकी उसने एक अच्छे से धुलाई कर दी थी. पुलिस वाले कहते हैं, आई नेवर हर्ड ऑफ इट, आई हैव नेवर हर्ड ऑफ इट. एंड यू वुडंट सर्जन, इट्स नॉट एवरीथिंग दैट हैपेंस गेट्स इनटू पेपर्स. सब कुछ थोड़ी पेपर में आता है ना. एंड देयर वाज अ पुलिसमैन इन प्लेन क्लोथ्स टू. ओके, और एक पुलिस वाला था, सादे कपड़ों में आया था, ऐसी धुलाई की, ऐसी धुलाई की. अगर आपने नहीं भी सुना तो भी ठीक है, बिकॉज सब कुछ जो होता है वो कभी पेपर में नहीं आता. मुझे तो पुलिस वाला अभी थोड़ा सा ऐसे मतलब हिचकिचा रहा है. इज अ लिटिल वरिड. इज ही, डिड यू से दैट, इज ही दैट टेरिबल? क्या वो सच्ची में इतना बुरा है, बेकार है? ओके, दैट्स सो इंडीड, दैट्स सो इंडीड. यू माइट बी स्टैंडिंग देयर. ओके, तुम बस यहाँ देखते रहो. ऑल राइट, और यू नेवर नो, वो कहीं और से आ जाए. यू नो इज ट्राइंग टू स्टिल स्केयर हिम. तुम यहीं पे खड़े रहो. यू नेवर नो, वो कहीं से भी आ सकता है. ओके, एंड अगर सारे पुलिस वाले भी आ जाए, ओके, देन ऑल्सो यू कैन नॉट स्टॉप हिम. कभी ये पुलिस वाला कहता है, सर्जन सेज दैट देयर आर सो मेनी पुलिसमैन आउट देयर. ओके, ही जस्ट कैन नॉट एस्केप. वो यहाँ से आज रात को भाग ही नहीं सकता. ही जस्ट कैन नॉट रन बिकॉज देयर इज पुलिस waiting for him at all corners, all important points. So there's no way that he can run. Okay, now see. The surgeon, he's a policeman, right? So he gets a little suspicious. He says, "Oh, you seem to know him very well. तुम्हें बहुत कुछ पता है उसके बारे में." Okay, so the man says, "Yes, I know him, but you wouldn't want to share the reward." Okay, अच्छा, तुम्हें उसके लिए पैसे तो नहीं चाहिए. Okay, is it uh, is it a poor man like me that has to be going the roads? मुझे देख के अगर तुम्हें लगता है क्या? ओके, मैं तो गरीब इंसान हूँ, यहाँ भी जाता हूँ, कहीं पर भी जाता हूँ, गाने गाता हूँ. ओके, ऑलराइट. सो हु विल गिव मी अ रिवॉर्ड? ऐसे वो कहता है. ओके, हु वुड गिव मी अ रिवॉर्ड? ऑलराइट. सो सी, सर्जन कहता है, वेल यू कैन स्टॉप हियर. रात को यहीं रुक जाओ, फिलहाल रुक जाओ. सी, बिकॉज there's a question over here. See here, the man and the surgeon need each other's support. Okay, why they need each other's support is because the man, he knows this prisoner very well. Yes, that's what the police has understood. The policeman has understood कि ये आदमी जो है, भले ही भिखारी लगता है, गरीब है, बट शायद ये काम का इंसान है, क्योंकि इसे वो he just knows that person really well and he can help me to catch hold of him. और उसे कोई रिवॉर्ड भी नहीं चाहिए. तो whatever I win is all going to belong to me. जो भी जीत जाऊंगा वो सब मेरा ही होगा. प्रमोशन, पैसे, रिवॉर्ड, सब कुछ. Okay, so see here. All right, sergeant. Yes, the man says. I wonder. Now you are not tired out, sergeant. Walking up and down. तुम थक नहीं गए? Okay, बैठ लो, थोड़ा आराम कर लो. So maybe this man is trying to distract him. Okay, he's trying to distract the surgeon. Okay, so see, the surgeon, what they do is they both of them, now they are sitting. And how they are sitting? Their backs are touching each other. Okay, एक दूसरे को ऐसे back touch करके बैठे हैं, ताकि ये एक का मुंह उस तरफ है, तो एक का मुंह, the one is facing north, the other one is facing south, like that. They are just sitting opposite, but then their backs are touching each other. That's how they sit. And now they have lit a cigarette. That's a pipe. Pipe is a cigar. Okay, a cigarette. They both are smoking because it's quite cold at night, and they both are smoking. Okay, So see here, again he is singing. See, for everything, students, he is singing because he is a ballad singer. He is a ballad singer and he is singing. Stop that, stop that. Okay, you cannot sing. You cannot sing. देश भक्ति वाले गाने यहाँ अभी मत गाओ. All right, because this particular policeman, he is working for the colonial rulers. जैसे कि हमारे देश में भी क्या हुआ था, हमारे ही खुद के लोग, बहुत सारे भारतीय जो थे, they were working for the British. They were working for the British. They were employed in the British offices. They were employed in the British army. Okay, so they were employed. They were working for them. वैसे ही ये एक इंसान है जो आयरिश ही है, जो उसी देश का है, बट काम किसके लिए कर रहा है? He is working for the colonial rulers. Okay, for the outside rulers. Okay, find the life of the singer that's mentioned in the extract. So what do you think? इस इंसान की जिंदगी कैसे गई है? Okay, his life is full of troubles, challenges, and he loves his country immensely. तो आज तक उसने जो कुछ किया है अपने देश के लिए किया है ना? He is whatever he has done, he's done it for the benefit of the country, for the welfare of the country. Okay, so now we have to do from here, we have to continue page 144, we have to continue from here. Yes, so we are on page 143 तक we have finished in the earlier class जिसका revision मैंने अभी करवाया, and now we come to page 144. Okay, so as soon as this man starts singing ballads, this policeman is really irritated. He says you shouldn't be singing any of these songs. Okay, and तुम चुप बैठो. Surgeon, I was only singing to keep my heart up. मैं सिर्फ खुश रहने के लिए I was singing. It sinks when I think of him. मुझे बुरा लगता है जब मैं उसके बारे में सोचता हूँ. To think of us two sitting here and he creeping up the quay to get us. So see, again he has not given up his efforts. He is just trying to scare him again. Okay, सोचो हम दोनों अकेले यहाँ बैठे हैं और वो कहीं से आ गया तो क्या करेंगे? So, that's how it is. आर यू कीपिंग अ गुड लुकआउट? तुम्हारा ध्यान भी है कि सिर्फ बकवास कर रहे हो? आर यू जस्ट वेस्टिंग माई टाइम और आर यू जस्ट ओके ट्राइंग टू वॉच आउट फॉर हिम? ओके, सो यस यस आई एम ओके, एंड फॉर नो रिवॉर्ड, मुझे कुछ भी नहीं चाहिए. So that's the best part. This is the reason both are interdependent, students. This is the previous page I told you. There's a question. We have to find out reasons why they both need each other. They both need each other क्योंकि एक को भागना है, इस इंसान को, इस फरार कैदी को भागना है. उसके सामने एक मोटो है, एक पर्पस है फॉर विच ही वांट्स टू रन. All right, at the same time there is the surgeon. Okay, surgeon feels that this man, this old man, okay, जो जिसे नहीं पता वो अस्की में कौन है, अस्कियत में कौन है. Okay, he is just trying to make him wait there because he knows him, and he can catch hold of him. Okay, अगर वो आया तो he can catch hold of him. Okay, for no reward. Amn't I the foolish man? थोड़ा तो मैं पागल नहीं हूँ, है ना? किसी रिवॉर्ड के बदले मैं ये काम कर रहा हूँ. I'm doing something just for no reward. But when I saw the man in trouble, I can just not think but help him. जब मैं किसी इंसान को मुसीबत में देखता हूँ, I just feel like helping him. Okay, I just feel like helping him. What's that? Did something hit me? मुझे तो किसी ने मारा क्या? Patting him on the shoulder. He pats him on his shoulder. Okay, तुम्हें मिलेगा, वैसे तुम्हें रिवॉर्ड मिलेगा, बट ऊपर आसमान में. Okay, heaven में. That's what. See how selfish he is, because as we know, he is kind of poor. Okay, so he needs that money, he needs that promotion just to have his life working. Okay, I know, life is precious, don't forget that. Then you can sing if it gives you more courage. So see, now this sergeant wants him to be alert, ताकि वो अगर वो आए तो ये दोनों उसे पकड़ ले और ये पूरा क्रेडिट लेके चला जाए. ओके, तो वो सर्जन क्या कहता है, ठीक है, इफ यू वांट टू सिंग सॉन्ग, कम ऑन, गो ऑन सिंगिंग. So see, again he is singing. So her head was bare, bare is empty. Okay, her hands and feet in bands were bound. Pensive strain, plaintive wail mingles with the evening gale. See, this is all rhyming. This is all rhyming. Okay, so which means he's singing about another person who was also nationalist just like him. और शायद इस लड़की ने औरत ने अपनी जान की बाजी लगा दी. Okay, she has sacrificed her life for the country. She sacrificed her life for the country. Okay, her gown she wore was stained with gore. That's it, you missed that. So, see, even the sergeant, he knows that song. He knows that song. Okay, so they are singing, both of them, they're singing. You are right, sergeant. तो शायद ऐसा हो सकता है कि ये आदमी ने जानबूझ के लाइन मिस किया है. ओके, सो ही इज ट्राइंग टू थिंक समथिंग, कुछ कुछ तो वो कर रहा है जो पुलिस वाले को नहीं पता, which something is trying to do something which the sergeant probably does not know. Okay, you are right, sergeant. So it is. I missed it. But to think of a man like you knowing that song, तो तुम्हें कैसे पता कि मैं ये लाइन मिस की, मैंने ये I've forgotten the line. How do you know that? Oh, there's many a thing a man might know and might have any wish for. You never know. ठीक है, मुझे बहुत कुछ पता है, इससे भी ज्यादा बहुत कुछ पता है. ओके, नाउ आई डेयर से सर्जेंट इन योर यूथ, ठीक है, तुम कहीं अपने बचपन में तुम भी तो ऐसे बैठकर ये सब गाने नहीं गाते थे. Okay, so I did then. The sergeant is agreeing. So what do you think, students? If you have understood this particular story, you will get an idea that he is trying to, okay, check the past. Okay, man tries to check the past life of surgeon. Past life मतलब when he was young. Okay, when he was young. Past मतलब पुनर्जन्म वगैरह नहीं. Past life means the earlier life before becoming a policeman. Before becoming a policeman. So here we come to know that yes, this sergeant also was probably, he was also a nationalist, just like this man. ओके, वो भी इस आदमी की तरह वो भी एक शायद नेशनलिस्ट था. ओके, एंड द शीन बेन ब्लॉच, दिस इज अगेन द नेम ऑफ अनदर बैलेड. ये सारे यस, तो उसे देखो सब सारे देशभक्ति वाले सारे उसे जो गाने हैं वो सारे पता है. ग्रीन ऑन द केप ये भी उसे पता है. हाँ मुझे पता है, पता है, पता है. ओके, सो See the wavelength. How far do both of them go along? दोनों कितने एक साथ घुल मिल जाते हैं. Okay, both of them they're trying to check into each other's past life. Okay, earlier life. Surgeon, see this, he's trying. क्या तुम्हें ये गाना पता है? क्या तुम्हें वो गाना पता है? तो सर्जन कहता है yes, 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 that was one of them. हाँ मुझे ये भी पता है. And maybe the man you are watching for tonight used to be sitting on the wall when he was young, singing those same songs. Oh, it's a pure world. Pure is strange. अजीब दुनिया है ना? अजीब दुनिया है, ऐसे वो कहते हैं. अजीब दुनिया है. ऑलराइट, सी शायद तुम्हारे जैसे ही वो आदमी भी शायद कहीं बैठा ऐसे ही ये सारे देशभक्ति वाले गाने गा रहा होगा. आई थिंक आई सी समवन कमिंग. अरे मुझे कोई दिख रहा है. ओ इट्स ओनली अ डॉग. ओके, एंड इजंट इट अ प्योर वर्ल्ड, सो ही इज नॉट स्टॉप, ही इज जस्ट कंटिन्यूइंग. इजंट अजीब बात नहीं है? Maybe it's one of the boys you used to be singing with that time you will be arresting today. इसका मतलब क्या है? क्या तुम्हें ऐसे नहीं लगता उस जमाने में जब तुम भी ऐसे बैठकर ये गाने देशभक्ति वाले गाने गाते थे? ओके, यू ही माइट बी वन ऑफ दोज यू आर अरेस्टिंग टुडे. क्या वो भी शायद तुम्हारे साथ वहां बैठ के शायद गाने उसने भी गाए रहेंगे? तो क्या ये सही होगा उसे पकड़ना? तो ही इज ट्राइंग टू जस्ट मेक हिम थिंक. ही इज जस्ट ट्राइंग टू मेक हिम लुक बियॉन्ड हिज सेल्फिशनेस. That's true indeed. And maybe one night after you had been singing, if the other boys had told you some plan they had, some plan to free the country, You might have joined with them, you never know, you know, अगर मतलब अगर तुम्हें पता चलता कि ऐसा कोई कुछ करना है तो क्या तुम नहीं जाते? Wouldn't you have joined? You might have joined. So he's just trying to make him think. Okay, trying to make him think, trying to make Sergeant think. Well, who knows? I might. I had a great spirit in those days. Oh, मैं तभी उस जमाने में बहुत ही young और I used to be quite energetic and I used to sing these songs. You know, this man is asking. Maybe he was also one of you. तुम भी शायद उसके जैसे बैठे रहेंगे. तुमने भी शायद उसके साथ गाने गाए रहेंगे. सोचो, उस इंसान को क्या तुम पकड़ पाओगे? Will you be able to arrest that person? Well, who knows? I might. I had great spirit in those days, so it's all about the past. It's a pure world. Again and again, he's just trying to give him some form of hint. Okay? And it's little. Any mother knows when she sees her child creeping on the floor, what might happen to it before it has gone through its life, or who will be who in the end. ओके मतलब nobody knows आगे क्या होने वाला है. Little any mother knows. Okay, no, none of the mothers, nobody knows कि what the child is going to be in future life. So same way here, we never know हमारी जिंदगी when our life will change and when and how will our life change. That's a pure thought now. हाँ ये सही and a true thought. See, we agree it's a true thought. Wait now, let me think out. If it wasn't for the sense I have and for my wife and family, मेरी अगर wife और family की बात नहीं होती, ठीक है, and for me joining the force the time I did, it might be myself now who would be breaking goal and hiding in the dark. You know, now the true side of Sergeant has come out. True, or you can say real side of Sergeant is out. Okay, he speaks his inner he speaks his inner thoughts, innermost thoughts. He speaks his innermost thoughts. ओके, ही स्पीक्स हिज इनरमोस्ट थॉट. वो कहते हैं कि अगर मेरी वाइफ नहीं होती, अगर मेरी फैमिली नहीं होती, और अगर मैंने फोर्स नहीं ज्वाइन करा, फोर्स इज पुलिस फोर्स, hadn't I joined the police force, okay, I would be one of that person. I would have been in his place. Maybe I would have, you know, broken the goal. मैं आज उसकी जगह पे होता था, मैं आज शायद जेल तोड़ के भागा होता था. Okay, it must be in his place. उसकी जगह पर आज मैं होता था. That's what he's saying. Okay, it might be myself would be creeping up, trying to make my escape from himself. शायद आज मैं भाग रहा होता था चुपचाप चोरों के जैसे. Okay, and it might be शायद वो मुझे पकड़ने की कोशिश कर रहा होता था. So you know, he's just trying to think how life would have been different for him had he been in that person's place. Okay, he's reminded of his past, his young days. जब वो young था, he was also a very fierce nationalist, देशभक्त था. Okay, और just because अपने wife और अपने family के लिए he had to leave all that, he had to take up a job and ना चाहते हुए भी, okay, out of force, you know, it was just out of force. Okay, he had to, you know, he was doing working with the police, working as a police. Okay, all right, and would be trying to maybe put a bullet in his head or take up a lump of this stone the way you said he did. No, that's myself did. Oh, what's that? कौन आ रहा है? कौन आ रहा है? Jumps off barrel and listens. It's nothing, surgeon. It's nothing. कोई नहीं है, कोई नहीं है. Okay, कोई नहीं है. There's a reference to a criminal. What's a reference to a criminal? ऐसे कौन से sentences है? Okay, we have to find sentences which are referred to a criminal. So you know, you're breaking law, putting a bullet. You know, these are all sentences which are spoken about a criminal. Okay, which are spoken. They're references to a criminal. So, you know, hiding in the dark. All right, breaking law. All right, these all phrases are like referring to the criminal. Oh, I think it's a boat. I had a notion there might be friends of his coming about the quay with a boat. शायद कोई आया है बोट से. I thought it's a boat. मुझे लग रहा है कोई बोट है. ओके, और मुझे लगता है शायद उसके दोस्त उसे लेने आए हैं. Surgeon, I am thinking it was with the people you were and not with the law you were when you were a young man. So see here he says that I think you were with the people. You were with the people and not with the law, not with the wrong law that you are in. Okay, when you were a young man. Well, if I was foolish then, हाँ मैं तभी ऐसे मैं गलत था. ओके, मे बी सर्जन इट कम्स टू योर हेड समटाइम्स. क्या तुम्हें कभी नहीं लगता इन स्पाइट ऑफ योर बेल्ट एंड योर ट्यूनिक दैट इट माइट हैव बीन वेल फॉर यू टू हैव फॉलोड ग्रैन्युएल. क्या तुम्हें नहीं लगता कि तुम्हें उस ग्रैन्युएल, ना हुज ग्रैन्युएल, शी इज द लेडी फ्रॉम, शी इज ऑल्सो अ नेशनलिस्ट, probably sacrificed her life. So जैसे वो in one of the earlier pages he was singing her story that her head was bare, she was bound by chains. Okay, so so this man says, don't you think that you would be like her? You would be like this girl. It's none business. तुम्हारा तुमसे कोई मतलब, तुमसे मतलब. It's none of your business to think of what I think. Maybe surgeon, you will be on the side of the country yet. तुम अभी भी अपने देश के लिए कुछ कर सकते हो. Okay, अभी भी, right now also you have an opportunity. Okay, he says you still have an opportunity. Okay, don't talk to me like that. I have my duties and I know them. There was a boat. I hear the oars. अरे कोई तो boat है. Somebody has come. You know, somebody has come. Okay, he goes to the steps, look down. See the man, he again sings. He's again singing song of another nationalist. Okay, oh then tell me, Sean O'Farrell, where's the gathering is to be? So here again he's singing song. Stop that, stop that. He's so irritated. बंद करो, बंद करो, बंद करो. ये गाना मुझे नहीं सुनना है. Because you know these songs they remind the surgeon. These songs remind the surgeon of his young days when he was also actively involved in freedom struggle. Okay, that is why he doesn't want to listen to these stories, doesn't want to listen to these songs. So these songs remind him of those those times when he was also actively involved in the struggle for his country. Okay, one word more for the signal token. Why whistle up the marching tune? Okay, here he's trying to sing those songs. All right. If you don't stop, I'll arrest you. Now he's so angry. Okay, I'll arrest you. A whistle from below answers. So वहाँ पे पानी में कोई तो आया है. There's somebody who's come. There's someone who has come. Okay, and somebody is trying to give a signal. Somebody is trying to blow a signal, and that signal is not for this policeman. That signal is for somebody else. That's a signal stands between him and steps. Okay, you must not part. तुम यहाँ से नहीं भाग सकते, तुम यहाँ से नहीं जा सकते. पीछे जाओ, पीछे जाओ. Who are you? See now, the real identity is revealed. Okay, who are you? You are no ballad singer. Okay, सर्जेंट knows that he is somebody else क्योंकि वो भागने की कोशिश करता है. वो भागने की कोशिश करता है. So, कौन हो तुम? मुझे पता है तुम जैसे हो, जो हो, दिखने हो, वो नहीं हो. कौन हो तुम? Okay, the next page. You needn't ask who I am. That placard will tell you. Okay, so what does this man say? That he is the one जिसके लिए तुमने ये placard लगाया है. Oh, you are the man I'm looking for. Takes off the hat. So the man, he takes off his hat and the wig. Sergeant seizes him. He has caught him. उसने उसे पकड़ लिया है. Caught him. Okay, real man reveals his real identity. There's 100 pounds on my head. There is a friend of mine below in the boat. He knows a safe place to bring me to. ओके वहां पे मेरा दोस्त रुका हुआ है, मेरे सिर पे 100 पाउंड्स है, और उस तरफ मेरा एक दोस्त रुका है जो मुझे कहीं सेफ जगह लेके जाएगा. ओके लुकिंग एट द हैट एंड ही इज सो शॉक्ड, looking at the hat and the way, it's a pity, you deceived me, you deceived me well. तुमने मुझे धोखा दिया, तुमने मुझे धोखा दिया. So that's what he's just angry, he's shocked, he doesn't know how to react. Looking still at I'm a friend of Granuel, there's 100 pounds on my head. He again says I am a friend of Granuel. तो those songs in जानबूझ के वो ऐसे songs गा रहा था which could remind him about his past, his young days. Okay, it's a pity, ये नहीं हो सकता, this is not possible, it's a pity, it's a pity. Will you let me pass or must I make you let me? He's trying to उसे धमकी दे रहा है. Will you let me pass or must I make you let me? Okay, so should I मैं तुम पर हाथ उठाऊं या or else are you allowing me to move from here? I am in the force, I cannot let you pass. ये मेरी duty है, I have to catch you, I cannot let you pass. I thought to do it with my tongue. What is that? Okay, he says that maybe I thought I'll convince you with my tongue. मैं उसे वो कहता है कि शायद मैं कब से इतना कुछ तुम्हें कह रहा हूँ. Probably you would allow me. Okay, but see now there is a voice of a policeman. Somebody else has come. Here, this is where we left him. Okay, see it's my comrades coming. Somebody else has come. Okay, somebody else has come. You won't betray me, the friend of Granuel. So this man is trying all. उसे उस पर हाथ नहीं उठाना है. And he says कि तुम ग्रैन्युअल के दोस्त हो, तुम मुझे नहीं छोड़ सकते. Okay, you cannot leave me. That was last of the placards. Okay, there's somebody who has come. See, if he makes his escape, it won't be unknown. He'll make it. Okay, वो यहाँ से नहीं भाग सकता. They are all discussing amongst themselves. Okay, so maybe he try to escape. वो शायद यहाँ से भाग जाएगा तो पता भी नहीं चलेगा. That's what he's saying. Okay, the surgeon puts the hat and the wig behind his back. Okay, वो surgeon जो है वो hat और वो wig है वो उसे छुपा देता है. Did anyone come this way? No one. No one at all? No one. We had no orders to go back to the station. We can stop along with you. Okay, तो policeman says हमें किसी ने वापस बुलाया नहीं है. If you want, we can stop here. No, no, I don't want you. There's nothing for you. Okay, there's nothing for you. Okay, यहाँ पे कुछ भी नहीं है. यहाँ पे you can just go. You can just go. Okay, then now you paid us to come back here and keep watch with you. I would sooner be alone. Okay, क्या तुम्हें नहीं लगता कि हमें यहीं पे रुकना चाहिए? That's what the other policemen are asking him. No, no, I can be alone. Would any man come this way? And making all that talk, it's better the place to be quiet. तुम सब यहाँ पे आओगे और हम यहाँ बैठ के बातें करेंगे, आवाज होगा, और अगर यहाँ से कोई भागने की कोशिश भी कर रहा है तो भी नहीं आएगा, हमारी बातें सुनकर नहीं आएगा. So it's better I sit here all alone quietly, and if somebody tries to come, I can just catch hold of him. Okay, I would sooner be alone. Would any man come this way? You making all the talk. All right, it's better the place to be quiet. It's better this place is quiet. Well, we'll leave you the lantern anyhow. ठीक है, हम यहाँ पे ये दिया छोड़ जाते हैं. I don't want it. Bring it with you. मतलब you take it with you. Bring it with you is take it with you. I do not want any lantern. Lantern is a lamp. Okay, you take it with you. तुम लेके जाओ. You might want it. There are clouds coming up. You have darkness here. Okay, यहाँ पे इतना अंधेरा होने वाला है. Okay, और तुम्हें यहाँ पे लाइट नहीं चाहिए. I will leave it over here on the barrel. Bring it with you. I tell you, no more talk. But take it with you. Just go from here. See, so all this while, the sergeant, he wants nobody over there. Okay, he wants nobody over there. Well, I thought it might be comfort to you. I often think when I have it in my hand and can be flashing it about into every dark corner that it's same as being beside the fire at home. Bichare police wale. Okay? So here this fellow says, this policeman says that when I am holding a lantern with me, I just feel I'm at home and I am beside my fire. Okay? Because it's a cold night. So सबके घर में usually there used to be a bonfire just to keep them warm. All right? So he says कि when I keep hold this lantern in my hand, मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि मैं अपने घर के आराम से कमरे में बैठा हूँ. Okay? Flashes is about now on the barrel, now on the surgeon. So lantern, he's just moving the lantern to and fro, to and fro. Okay, be off the two of you and yourselves and the lantern. चले जाओ तुम दोनों अपना दिया भी लेके जाओ. Take off the lantern. So they go out. Now where is this man hiding? He comes from behind barrel. Okay, वो वहाँ barrel के पीछे छुपा था. He and surgeon, they look at each other. The surgeon says, now here comes the twist in the story. Okay, here comes the twist in the story. Okay, what are you waiting for? For my hat, of course, and my wig. You wouldn't wish me to get my death of cold. Okay, you don't wish to kill me, right? So give me my hat and my wig. मुझे दे दो. The surgeon gives them. Okay, going towards step. Well, good night, comrade. Thank you. You did me a good turn tonight, and I'm obliged to you. He's very thankful to you. So what has the surgeon done? The surgeon feels that if I could not do anything for my country, at least let this person do it. ओके अच्छा भले ही मैंने अपने देश के लिए कुछ ज़्यादा कर नहीं पाया एटलीस्ट जो इंसान देश के लिए कुछ कर रहा है एटलीस्ट आई शुड हेल्प हिम मुझे ज़रूर उसका साथ देना चाहिए okay and maybe I'll be able to do as much for you when the small rise up and the big fall down okay small rise up small is the common person big fall down big fall is the rulers the colonial rulers okay and we'll all change places at the rising of the moon वापस ऐसी ही शाम होगी okay ऐसे ही moon the moon is going to come out ऐसे ही moonlight में we are all going to be free that's what he says we are all going to be free और ऐसे करके वो वहां से चला जाता है so what has the surgeon done he has in fact helped this man to run away okay to escape from there because there's this one thought in his mind that I could not do anything for my country I should at least let this person do something okay turning back to his audience and reading the placard 100 pounds reward 100 pounds reward I wonder now am I as great as a fool as I think I am तो ये सोच रहा है he's just talking to himself क्या मैं कोई पागल हूँ जो मैंने ये अपॉर्चुनिटी तोड़ दी एम आई अ फूल और एम आई स्मार्ट व्हाट एम आई इज आस्किंग हिमसेल्फ मैंने अपने हाथों से 100 पाउंड्स जो थे वो छोड़ दिए इनाम छोड़ दिया प्रमोशन छोड़ दिया ओके सो व्हाट काइंड ऑफ अ पर्सन एम आई डू यू कॉल मी अ फूल और एम आई स्मार्ट okay so basically somehow we can say that that particular man okay he just used his tongue he just used his tongue to convince the surgeon to leave him okay he did not use any kind of force nothing but just by his talks he just caught the weak point of this surgeon उसे पता चला कि ये सर्जन अपने एक जमाने में शायद ऐसा हो सकता है कि ये उसका कोई पहचान वाला हो कहीं उसने उसे देखा हो तो उसे शायद लगा होगा कि ये सर्जन भी अपने जमाने का एक ऐसा ही मेरे जैसा ही एक देश प्रेमी था okay and that's the reason maybe he will help me if I have to just talk to him in a certain way I have to just talk to him in a certain way okay so students this is how it is this is all about the lesson now make sure you go through the play okay and you do the questions given in the textbook if the lesson is for the exam your college exam remember no passage is going to be given okay section 4 is all about your memory skills memorization skills okay